Playhouse. This is the letter D. The D says D, as in dog. Aw, look at the dog. He gave her a high five. Aw, and he's giving her another high five. This is the letter E. The E says E, as in elephant. Look at the elephant playing in the water. He looks like he's having so much fun. Do you like to play in the water? This is the letter F. The letter F says the F says as in fish. Look at all the fish swimming in the ocean. They're so beautiful. Look at all of the colors, little ones and big ones. Until next time, bye. Please subscribe and hit that like button. And remember, always keep learning.